Diabetes Families is fomenting a revolution in patient education and support. The National Institute of Health estimates that 26 million Americans already have diabetes and another 79 million are pre-diabetic, costing the nation $174 billion per year. And as Dr. Oz can tell you, 90% of diabetes is preventable. I'm Helene Siporin, founder of Diabetes Families, and I started this website so that I could offer the same effective interventions that I developed and use at Mount Sinai to a wider audience via their computer right in the convenience of their own home, where they need this supportive guidance the most. Columbia University took my protocol and converted it into a web-based tool that they use in their classrooms. Now I've reformatted it into engaging and interactive segments of 10 minutes or less that are pushed out to the audience via email. It's called video coaching. I've cracked the code on how to motivate and empower people by guiding them to develop their own plan. And the system works because I've shifted from the ineffective method of willpower dieting, which is only a short-term solution, to developing lifelong healthy habits. Now that's as easy as brushing your teeth. 80% of internet users have surfed the web for medical information, and there are many credible sources out there like WebMD, which provide information on a variety of medical issues. But only Diabetes Families is devoted exclusively to type 2 diabetes, and only Diabetes Families deals with the psychosocial and emotional aspects to provide therapeutic support. It also takes a family-centered approach, which is proven to be the most effective form of intervention. DiabetesFamilies.com is only 9 months old and has already launched its successful beta test of Video Coaching Your Healthy Home series. And we have 7 other revenue stream sources that will be rolled out within the next 2 years. And our highly targeted mailing list has a 23% opening rate, where 1 to 2% is the industry standard. Our marketing costs will remain low and controllable because we basically have a B2B model targeting companies that maintain their own websites and want to offer their consumers a click-to-action alternative. These include the insurance industry, which is searching for and investing in preventive services like video coaching, and also food companies that want to maintain a positive image with their customers, pharmaceutical companies, and even consumer good companies like Walmart and Target. Reaching only 1% of this diabetes market is projected to net $15 million within the next 3 years. Our exit strategy is to be acquired by one of these sponsoring companies, 2 of which have already intimated their intentions in this direction, pending our proof of concept. I have a great team and top advisors backing me. There are my colleagues at Mount Sinai providing medical supervision, Charlie Rosner, a seasoned advertising executive, and Mary Olson of Transition Networks, who provide branding, positioning, and marketing strategy. Roshan Shah, CFO of Glasscon, is my technical advisor. And Avi Timur, CFO of Stern Stewart, is my financial guru. Winning this competition means much more than getting the technical and financial support that I need to refine my business model. It means fomenting a paradigm shift in patient education and support, one that is needed to reverse this worldwide epidemic of type 2 diabetes. If you want to be part of the solution, vote for diabetesfamilies.com. Thank you.